idam te na tapaskaya na bhaktaya kadachana na cha shushushave vacham na cha mamyo abhyasuyati. This confidential knowledge may not be explained to those who are not austere or devoted or engaged in devotional service. Nor to one who is envious of me. So what is it? The knowledge was Sarvadharman Parityaja. Mam Ekam Sharanam. Some people have created Daridra Narayan Seva. We are not after Seva to Daridras. That is not our problem. Our problem is how can Narayana be Daridra? Correct? Narayana is Lakshmipati. Without any help of anybody, Krishna creates a whole universe and Brahma in it. Whole spiritual material world Krishna maintains without anybody's help. How can he be Daridra? He is Lakshmipati. How can he be Daridra? It's a contradiction. But people accept such things. You see, so many ways people are cheated. Correct? Many people accept this philosophy. So many people do not accept Krishna as the Supreme Personality. They think Devi Devatas, Krishna is all same. Another jokers. So many people say Krishna has no form. Some people say Krishna was some historical personality, expert politician. So they're all people who have been cheated. Why? They are sensuous. It's not that we were some great personality. But if these features are there, we become fit to be cheated. Cheater and the cheater. आप बेवकूफ़ बनने के लायक हैं, आपको बेवकूफ़ बनाने कोई आएगा. ठीक है? सो इस तरह आप समझ सकते हो कि Krishna is telling very clearly in Bhagavad Gita, Mam Ekam, Sarvadharman Parityaja, Mam Ekam, me only. Then why, what is the reason to go to the Devatas? Krishna is very clear, Mam Ekam. Prabhupada translate very nicely, rascal, me only. Purport is writing, rascal, me only, don't have to go anywhere else. But no, people will not accept the authority of Krishna. When Krishna is, yesterday morning we were discussing, when Hiranyakashipu appeared, all the Devi Devatas, they all ran to Vishnu, please protect us. Arey Baba, when Devi Devatas cannot protect themselves, why you are running behind them? It is like holding a dog's tail when you are crossing an ocean. Can you cross? Is it safe? Very dangerous. That is not the way. This is not the way. But no, Krishna is saying Mam Ekam. But we don't accept. Okay, we should be little intelligent and should have a good fortune. Faith comes in good association. Faith is a very mysterious thing. People get faith in so many things. I believe in this, you believe in whatever, don't hurt my belief. आजकल ये बकवास चल रहा है सोसाइटी में. You cannot debate philosophy today. नहीं, I believe in this. As somebody says that you believe in this, this person is not God. According to Shastra, according to Acharya, this is nonsense. He can put a case on you. You hurt my belief. And you will be arrested for giving pain to somebody. It has become so sentimental. Correct? You cannot speak the truth to the society. It's so crazy society. So Krishna is very clear. So there is Sarvadharman Parityaja Mam. So Krishna, we have created. By our own misuse of independence, we have created our destiny, and which is actually very dangerous. If you take this life itself, how many ways we have misused our independence given by the Lord, and we are preparing a hellish condition for us. ये ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं देखने के लिए, मुश्किल है क्या? ऐसे ऐसे कुकर्म किए हैं, नरक वेट कर रहा है हमारा. भाई किसी को डाउट है क्या? पुण्यात्मा है कोई इधर? जन्म से कोई पाप नहीं किया, ऐसा तो मिलेगा नहीं आपको. ऐसे ऐसे कुकर्म किए हैं कि हमारी डेस्टिनी को क्या बोलते हैं? तकदीर. कन्नड़ा में क्या बोलते हैं? डेस्टिनी. हाँ हाँ, आपका यात्रा तो नरक ही है, फिक्स हो गया. बट देन कृष्ण ऐसे अहम त्वाम पर सर्व पापे भो मोक्षिषामि मा शुचा. Okay, you made a mistake when you have destiny in Naraka, but you surrender to me. I'll take care. I'll take care. I'll take care. I'll take care of the whole thing. Actually, we had no business in this world. We just came here out of our foolishness. And now we are implicated. Even if you want to go out, you are implicated. It's like you have to go from here to, say, railway station. That's all. But on the way, you got implicated in so many things. You slapped somebody, you kicked somebody, some fight was happening, you also took one side. Now all the things you are implicated in, they all want to fight with you. So many people are behind you. So like that, we came to this world and just think, I'll go back to Krishna. It's not so easy. So many karmas are behind you. That is your destiny, what you have created. You've seen one video, we have karma ghost. As a person is walking, his karma, the one by one sitting on him. You have seen? You have seen, I think. Or you can see again. So idea is that so many activities, their reactions are sitting on us. Got it? Suppose you want to board the train, those people will come running to the TT. Please, give me 5 minutes, we have to deal with him. He gave me a slap, I want to give you one more slap. Correct? Then somebody you gave kick, he wants to give one kick. Somewhere you did something else, you also want to, you stole somebody's 500 rupees, he wants to take back that money from you. You have done so many things on the way. So similarly, we have been there in this world, and not only we have accumulated unwanted desires in our heart, the reactions to foolish activities is also on us. Our destiny is set now. Correct? Based on our activities and our desires, our destiny is set. I always give examples. Suppose your desire is to become an engineer, but your activities are sinful, then you'll become a caterpillar. You'll not become an engineer. And your desire is to become an engineer, but your activities are very good, you'll become Brahma. So there are two criteria. Correct? Just like you would go to buy a shirt in the mall. There are shirts available, some branded shirts. What is the cost? We don't know. 10,000 में भी आता होगा, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 आता होगा easily. People write jokes actually sometimes. There are expensive clothes also, and 200 रुपए का ही मिल जाएगा. So 2,000 to 20,000 कुछ भी, depending on how much money you have. The same way you have some desire, but what you get will depend on how much money you have. That is your punya. So your desires are also there, punya is also there. So Krishna is saying, aham tvam sarpapebhyo mokshayishyami. I will deliver you from all kind of sinful reaction. That means I will change your destiny. Some people say, what is the use of worshipping Krishna? जैसे पुण्य करोगे, जैसे पाप करोगे, वैसा ही होगा, है ना? ये कृष्णा को पूजा करने की क्या जरूरत है? पुण्य करो. ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है. That is called karma mimamsa theory. It is Krishna who is going to decide. So aham tvam sarpapebhyo. It is not difficult to understand how Krishna can pardon you. Why? Even a president of India has that power. If he wants, he cannot act whimsically. He does not do that. But if he wants, he will be impeached if he does it. He can pardon anybody. That's why when they get death penalty, all the people send a letter to the president for mercy. If he wants, he can release him from the jail. Go. That power will be there. It is many countries, the kings will have that power. He can pardon. Even in America, the president sometime on a good festival day something, they reduce the thing or they release so many. Then jails are full now. There is no place for criminals. Justice system a little fast. They catch the crazy people. In India, you catch a little late. They catch. But then when you catch, there is no place to keep. Interesting, they have private jails. You can also open a jail if you want. Just like you open paying guest, you can open jail in America. Yeah, you will get criminals. You have to maintain them. Government will pay you. And you have to see they don't run away. That's it. So the problem is that, when the president has the power to pardon, how can you say Krishna does not have the power, the supreme president? He can pardon anybody. Just like Ajamila. He chanted with great heart, Narayana. Narayana pardoned him. But if his sin, if you see, what is the name? Who takes the account? Chitragupta. No. Chitragupta. But Chitragupta could not understand how it is possible. So much sin he has done. Hoppa. Books of sins. If I start reading, it will not finish. But the Vishnuta say, what? A sinless man you want to punish. And Chitragupta is saying, how sin? So much sin he has done. But he said, no, he is sinless. Because they know Narayana has pardoned him. And Narayana has the power. Okay, forgiven. Over. No sin now. His slate is cleared. Therefore, we should also every day loudly chant, Narayana. But 1,000 names of Vishnu, one name of Krishna. So, more intelligent to chant name of, 1,000 name of Vishnu equal to one name of Rama. And 3 names of Rama equal to one name of Krishna. Therefore, when you chant one name of Krishna, equal to 3,000 names of Vishnu or Narayana. 3,000. Many people say, I chant Vishnu Sahasranama. Chant. But I say, Krishna. Over. Your Sahasranama is over. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. I am not saying it. It's good. Chanting Vishnu Sahasranama is very auspicious. Your names of Vishnu are chanting. But we go according to the direction of the Shastra. See, the comparison is not lower and higher like in this world. People misunderstand sometimes. In this world, you say this person is higher, this person is lower. We should not apply that kind of thing in the spiritual world. You cannot say Hanuman is lower, Arjuna is higher. We should not have that kind of ideas. Because we go to spiritual world also, we put those ideas. In this world, we are measuring everybody. No, there's nothing like that. All are absolute. All are very dear to the Lord. With a different rasas. Okay? There are different rasas are there. True, intensity of friendship is more than dasya. That is true. But you should not use the same criteria higher and lower. So similarly, Vishnu and Narayana and Krishna, this is one person only. How can you say higher and lower? It is one person. It is absolute. But still, there is variety in absolute. Just like Radharani is also a devotee of Krishna and other people are also devotee, but nobody can match her devotion to Krishna. So there is a variety in absolute, but all are absolute. Okay? We should not make a mundane comparison. To sarvadharman parityajya. This refers to all kind of cheating religions. Therefore Prabhupada says, hardly anything will remain. What all kind of religion people follow. It is not to offer pure devotion service to Krishna. Religion means offering service to Krishna with love. That is religion. Correct? There are 4 ways people go to God. You know that? Some people go to God out of fear, the lowest way. अरे मंदिर नहीं जाएंगे, भगवान के पास नहीं जाएंगे, नरक जाएंगे. चलो. You don't believe in God, you will go to hell. लोग कैंपेन भी करते हैं, तो कुछ लोग डर जाते हैं. They go to God because of fear. Just like some people pay tax out of fear, otherwise you'll be arrested. And some people pay tax out of love for the country. No, I should give some money, so country needs my money. Those people are rare, but at least out of fear. So that is also not bad, but that is one level. Some people go to God because they have so many desires. My God, I want this, I want this, I want this, I want this. Okay, better. At least some relationship has started. Some people go to God out of duty. My Lord, I am your servant, it's my duty. But even higher is some people go to God out of love. Nice, correct? Just like a mother is very happy to see the child every day. Out of love. That is still higher. So here Bhagavatam is upholding the Prem Pumarto Mahan. Okay, generally people follow dharma ka 4 purushartha. What are the 4 purushartha? Dharma, artha, kama, moksha. Dharma basically for them means some rituals for sense gratification. That's it. Artha, you follow some dharma, you get some money. You follow some rules and regulations of punya life and you make some money. Otherwise king will catch you and beat you. Okay? So punya, so dharma leads to artha. The dharma means punya papa, karma kanda. Shri Shri Radha Govind ki, Shri Shri Gaunitai ki, Shri Prabhupada ki. So this dharma means basically karma kanda, punya papa. They live a pious life, they make money. Because when you do punya, next artha will come. Then with that artha, according to rules of dharma, they enjoy life. We can find in Mangalore many Brahmins also like that. They will live a pure life, they look very effulgent, dharma, they'll make money nicely, artha, and they will enjoy without doing papa karma. Correct? They'll buy a nice car, they'll buy a nice house, they were not doing papa, but they're enjoying life. Correct? Punya, like a devata, they're enjoying life. Dharma, artha, kama, and then moksha. When they get fed up with all this kind of enjoyment, according to rules of dharma, if they are following, they get frustrated one day. What is this finally? This body is just a bag. Why I am attracted to this bag? It is a bag of stool and urine. Put some oil, make it a little shining, I get attracted. Why? I am a fool or what? Like that, finally, moksha. They give up desire of enjoying this world. Correct? And they want to become one with Brahman. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says all the 4 are sense gratification. It's a revolution. Generally in Vedic culture, these 4 Purusharthas are considered highest. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says all are sense gratification. Prem Upamartha Mahan. He gave something very, very, very confidential, generally not known. Krishna Prem is the highest achievement of life. Therefore, anything which is not leading to Krishna Prem is Kaitava Dharma, is cheating religion. Because real result of religion you didn't get. When Haridas Thakur was presented, Haridas Thakur had gone to the house of Hiranya and Govardhan Majumdar, who was the father of Raghunath Das Goswami. When you are sitting in that house, what happened? कुछ लोगों ने बोला कि भाई हरिदास ठाकुर आए हैं. That day he was invited. हरिदास ठाकुर कितनी माला जप करते थे? 192. कोशिश करो एक दिन, पागल हो जाओगे. 192. कोशिश करके तो देखो. 100 तक भी बहुत लोग कम पहुंच पाते. 192 every day. So then what happened? When he entered that assembly, his heart, actually, this I was thinking last few days, whatever you associate, you become like that. The holiest, the best thing is holy name of God. Those who associate with the holy name of God and with the books of the Acharya become better and better person. Correct? They become good, all good. Because God is all good, they also by chanting God's name become good. Chanting is going on. So Haridas Thakur was chanting 192 malas every day. How much? 190? So then what happened? That they asked Haridas Thakur, let us discuss, please tell about the glories of the holy name. तो हरिदास ठाकुर बोले, हरि glories of the holy name, आप बोलो, मैं अंत में बोलूंगा. तो लोग बोले, हरि नाम जप करोगे तो सारे पाप माफ हो जाएंगे. एक बोला, हरि नाम जप करोगे आपको मोक्ष मिल जाएगा, हरि नाम जप करोगे आप धनवान बन जाओगे. तो people started saying so many things. Haridas Thakur was sitting. Then Haridas Thakur said, क्या बोल रहे हैं आप लोग ऐसे? कृष्ण नाम जप करने से मिलता है धन, कृष्ण प्रेम, भगवान की तरफ प्रेम. ये सब तो नाम का आभास, नाम के शैडो, क्या बोलते हैं शैडो, छाया कन्नड़ में, हाँ हरुडो. सो नाम की हरुडो से ही हो जाएगा, शुद्ध नाम का जरूरत नहीं. नाम अपराध, नाम आभास, शुद्ध नाम. जो शुरू में आप जप करते हो उसको नाम अपराध. जप कर रहे हो, मन पूरा दुनिया में घूम रहा है, अपराधी जप. उसके बाद होता है नामाभास, उस जप में मन शुद्ध होना शुरू हो जाता है. और शुद्ध नाम, एक एक नाम जप में वैकुंठ का आभास होता है. 3 स्टेज है. तो बोला कि वो शुद्ध नाम छोड़ दो, जप करते करते ही पहुंचोगे, और कोई तरीका नहीं है. जो नामाभास ही काफी है, उससे आपको सारे पाप मुक्त हो जाएंगे, मोक्ष मिल जाएगा. कृष्ण नाम से तो कृष्ण प्रेम मिलता है. तो लोग ऐसे क्या चीज बोल रहे हैं. तो सिमिलरली अभी लोगों को क्या मालूम है, किसी को मालूम है क्या? कृष्ण बोल रहे हैं सर्वधर्मान परित्यज्य माम एकम शरणम व्रजा, एक्सेप्ट ओनली दैट रिलीजन विच विल गिव यू कृष्ण प्रेम. ऐसा रिलीजन है कहां भी? कौन किसको मतलब उससे? कृष्णा के ही फिक्स नहीं है. करेक्ट. लोग देवी देवता के पीछे भग रहे, कहाँ कृष्ण प्रेम आ गया उधर? कृष्ण का नाम तक नहीं है, है ना. मैं देवी का भक्त हूँ, मैं देवता का भक्त हूँ, लिस्ट बना रखी लोगों ने. तो उसमें कहा उनको फोकस ही नहीं है अभी. और तो देवी देवताओं से तो धंधा चलता है, धंधा. मैं ये दूंगा वो दो, मैं ये दूंगा वो दूंगा. करेक्ट. धनम देही, रूपम देही, देही 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 देही, बस मेरे को ये दो, मेरे को ये दो, मैं ये देता हूँ, अब ये दो. वहाँ कोई प्रेम नहीं है, ये तो धंधा है. प्रेम खाली कृष्ण से होता है, बिकॉज उसमें कुछ नहीं चाहिए आपको. ठीक है. सो दैट इज व्हाई इट इज सेड जनरली पीपल कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड. जस्ट लाइक हरिदास ठाकुर वाज सरप्राइज्ड, ग्रेट आचार्य इज आल्सो सरप्राइज्ड, कृष्णा इज आल्सो सरप्राइज्ड. सो देयरफॉर कृष्णा सेज very very confidential thing. He says any dharma which does not give Krishna prema धर्म प्रोचित कैत्वत्रा परमो निर्वसराना सताम. ये भगवत गीता जहाँ पे एंड होती है, भागवत वहाँ पे शुरू होती है. भागवत के इन्वोकेशन में, सेकेंड इन्वोकेशन में है धर्म प्रोचिता. ये सब रिलीजन जो आपको कृष्ण प्रेम नहीं देते उनको रिजेक्ट कर दो. बिकॉज कृष्ण प्रेम का जो आनंद है, वो आपके ब्रह्मानंद से भी सबसे ऊपर है. वो आनंद इतना भयंकर है कि जब ब्रह्मा के 4 बेटे थे, सनत कुमारा, वो ब्रह्म ज्योति में विलीन थे पूरा. मैं ब्रह्मन हूँ, मैं ब्रह्मन हूँ. लेकिन जब उन्होंने नारायण का दर्शन लिया और नारायण के चरण से तुलसी स्मेल किया, वो भूल गए, क्योंकि कृष्णानंद और भी आ गए. ब्रह्मानंद भी बहुत बड़ा आनंद है. जब आपको पता चलता है आप शरीर नहीं आत्मा है, ये दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा इंद्रिय भोग भी एक बूंद हो जाता है आपके सामने, इतना आनंद आता है. लेकिन आपको जब भगवान की सेवा का जो आनंद है वो बहुत गुप्त है, लोगों को मालूम नहीं है. इसलिए कृष्णा में अल्टीमेट कृष्णा इंस्ट्रक्शन दे रहे हैं कि सर्वधर्मान परित्यज्य. लेकिन ये ज्ञान प्राप्त करना आसान नहीं है, इसलिए हमको भी क्वालिफाइड होना चाहिए. क्या चीज़ चाहिए हमको? प्रभुपाद जी ने बोला है, क्या चीज़ चाहिए? वी शुड बी एंगेज इन डिवोशनल सर्विस. श्री प्रभुपाद की, भगवद गीता की.